Hello children. Find the area of rhombus. Look at this rhombus ABCD. As all the four sides are equal, let us mark those as A. As all the sides are equal, they'll have the same name A. We know that the diagonals intersect each other at right angles in a rhombus. So let us mark those angles. The intersection point is O. So here area of rhombus is area of triangle ABC, which is colored in green color, and area of triangle ADC in yellow color. We know that area of triangle is half into base into height. AC is the base and OB and OD are the heights. So half into AC into OB plus half into AC into OD. Taking half AC as common, we'll get half into AC into OB plus OD, where OB plus OD is BD. So half into AC is one diagonal and BD is the other diagonal. So half into product of the diagonals is the area of rhombus. Let us see an example. The diagonals of a rhombus are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters. What is its area? We know that area of rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. So let us draw the rhombus. So 30 centimeters is one diagonal and 20 centimeters is the other diagonal. So area of rhombus is equal to half into 30 into 20. So after cancellation, we will be left out with 300 centimeter square. So area of this rhombus is 300 centimeter square. Let us see one more example. The diagonals of rhombus are 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. What is its area? We know that area of rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. So which is equal to 16 centimeters is one diagonal and 12 centimeters is the other diagonal. So half into 12 into 16. 16 and gets cancelled by 2. So 12 into 8, 96 centimeter square is the area of the rhombus. Let us see one more example. The area of rhombus is 120 centimeter square and one diagonal is 12 centimeters. Find the other. Here the area is given and one diagonal is given. We have to find the other diagonal. So let us assume that the missing diagonal is D. We know that area of rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. So area of rhombus is given as 120. So substituting it on the LHS part, 120 is equal to half into 12 into D, where product of diagonals, one diagonal is D. So 2 and 12 gets cancelled. 120 is equal to 6 into D. So D is equal to 120 by 6, 20 centimeters. So therefore the other diagonal is 20 centimeters. Let us see one more example where find the area of rhombus whose side is 20 meters and whose altitude is 15 meters. Here we are given the side is 20 meters and altitude is 15 meters. We know that area of rhombus is half into product of its diagonals. But here the diagonals are not given. So what we have to do here is, we know that every rhombus is a parallelogram. That's an important property of rhombus. Every rhombus is also a parallelogram. So finding area of rhombus is same as finding area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So area of rhombus is also equal to base into height because every rhombus is also a parallelogram. So 20 meters is the base and 15 meters is the height. So 15 meters into 20 meters, 300 meters square. Area of rhombus is 300 meters square. Thank you.